Joint memorandum method. Under this method, each co-adventurer maintains his books of accounts. He records all the transactions of purchase, sales, expenses, etc. At the end of the period, all the co-adventurers organize together and prepare joint memorandum account in order to ascertain profit or loss. Finally, they settle their accounts. This method is normally followed where a large contract is undertaken. Now we are going to start with an example of joint memorandum account. I am taking practical questions. Question is: X and Y entered into a joint venture to buy a plot of land and divide it into equal number of plots for sales. They bought a piece of land measuring 1500 square meter for ₹8,50,000. X contributed ₹5 lakh and the balance by Y. 1/3 of the land was left for public roads and the remaining land was divided into 5 plots of 200 square meters each. 3 plots were sold at ₹1,000 per square meter by X and the remaining 2 were sold by Y at ₹1,200 per square meter. Expenditure on leveling, road building and registration of plots amounted to ₹1 lakh. ₹1 lakh borne equally by both the co-adventurers. Show joint venture account in the books of X with Y and joint memorandum account and X in the books of X and joint venture account with X in the books of Y. First we are taking in the books of X joint venture with Y, that is in contract with Y. Whatever X has made payments. He had paid 5 lakh for buying the plot of land. 50,000 he had paid for expenses. His sales are 6 lakh and his joint venture profit is 65,000, which we calculated from joint memorandum account. Total is coming 6,15,000 and the credit side, when we take it to the credit side, 6,15,000 by bank, final settlement 15,000. Now we are taking joint memorandum account. After the contract is over, they come together and prepare a joint memorandum account in order to find out their profit or loss. Now in joint memorandum account, 2X purchases 5 lakh, 2X expenses 50,000, 2Y purchases 3,50,000, expenses 50,000. And on the credit side, by X 6 lakh he has made sold plots for 6 lakh and Y has sold plots for 4,80,000. The total of joint memorandum is coming 10,80,000. When we take to the debit side, the net profit is coming 1,30,000. Since no profit sharing ratio is given, this profit will be transferred to X and Y equally, 65,000 each. To profit transfer to X 65,000, Y 65,000. Now lastly we are preparing in the books of Y joint venture with X. Now whatever Y has done, he is recording in his books which he has joint venture with X. To bank 3,50,000, to bank 50,000 expenses, by bank sale 4,80,000 and on the debit side to joint memorandum account profits 65,000 and the final payment is coming to bank 15,000. So both side total is coming 4,80,000. The final settlement is coming for both 15,000. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Tell your other friends also to see this video. It is very, very helpful for understanding joint memorandum account. Thank you very much.